again. Today we're gonna be reading about big machines. Content: cranes 2 and 3, diggers 6 and 7, trucks 8 and 9, loaders 10 and 11, ships 12 and 13, bulldozers 14 and 15, planes 16. Cranes are big machines. They can lift heavy loads. A crane can help make a big building. Crane. These are cranes. 1, 2, 3. Tractors are big machines. They can pull other machines. Tractor can help on farm, like on the on the houses. The farmhouse is this is where it works. This is what the drive on where the farmhouse the farmhouse comes. The tractor comes out of it. So the houses and homes. Remember that I did the farmhouse. The tractor comes about from the farmhouse. Tractor can help on farmhouse. Tractor. This is a tractor. It can help on farm. Diggers are big machines. They can dig the ground. A digger digs earth and rock. Oopsies, wait. A digger can dig earth and rocks.
I don't care what you
Digger.
I don't care what it is you called and help me.
Trucks are big machines. They can carry heavy loads. A big truck can carry cars. Truck. Loaders are big machines. They can lift heavy loads. These rocks are heavy. He can load all of this. A loader can lift big logs. Loader. Is it a loader? Ships are big machines. They can carry heavy loads. Ship's tail on the sea. Ship. This is the ship. Bulldozer. Bulldozers are big machines. They can push rocks and earth. Bulldozer can help make roads. Bulldozer. The last one is in play maybe. Yeah. Plane. Plane are big machines. They can lift off the ground and fly up in the sky. Plane. Bulldozer. A big machine that moves the earth and the rocks. Crane. A big machine that lifts heavy loads. A machine that digs the ground. A loader. A big machine that lifts heavy loads. Machine. A tool with moving parts that is used to do a job that is hard. Tractor. A machine used to heavy work, usually on farm. So the farmhouse, the tractor comes out of the farmhouse. finished the book. So 101 points and reading time 4 minutes. And bye guys, recorded this Squeakcast-O-Matic.